There are numerous names that can blend people to general's advantage basically by reporting their purpose to enter a race. Some can't be disregarded because of sheer size and assets, the Microsofts and Googles of the world. However, others get by on a smaller yet exceedingly renowned reputation, for example, the Valves and the Amazons. Regarding equipment, Tesla Motors certainly falls into the last classification. In only 10 years it has manufactured an overall auto contender and the main module to energize aficionados as an auto, instead of as an electric auto. In spite of the fact that new Tesla has certainly procured the demeanor of a world-class contender. This week, Tesla Motors CEO Elon Musk said the organization has solid intents to put a self-driving auto out and about inside 3 years. As of now, its activity board records an advanced driver assistance systems controls engineer to be a piece of Tesla's push to pioneer completely robotized driving. Despite the expression completely computerized driving, Musk said that the auto would deal with up to 90% of the driving, and that it's staggeringly difficult to get that last couple of percent. It's right now vague how this division of work may go. What sorts of errands Musk anticipates being too hard for the PC, or excessively dubious, making it impossible to commit lawfully. The Financial Times claims industry sources accuse carmakers' feelings of trepidation of obligation claims for languid take-up of the work. Google and others have been improving the situation the previous quite a long while. The greater part of the examination so far has originated from Google and conventional makers like Volvo and Mercedes-Benz. However, different players have become included. Google needs an accomplice to convey its tech to the street. However, Tesla has encountered doing that independent from anyone else. Tesla has effectively demonstrated it can be fruitful banding together with little autonomous merchants, and in 3 years, Tesla will probably be offering significantly more units direct to the American shopper. Tesla likewise has encountered bringing new innovation through strict, regularly harsh administrative procedures, and pitching to explicitly the part of auto purchasers who love to get the most current and shiniest toys. That very cred with all-around subsidized auto nuts could end up being something of a goony bird. However, since that is the extremely same statistic which takes genuine joy from the sentiment driving their autos, Tesla's group might be early adopters, yet they likewise may shrug off the possibility of regularly surrendering any measure of control over their vehicle.